Good afternoon, everybody. Nice to see you. Thank you for coming. We are here with a spontaneous gathering to celebrate the holidays, the end of the year, Christmas. The Bible says in John 12:46, I've come as a light into the world, that whoever believes in me should not abide in darkness. We celebrate salvation, yes? By bringing the light, we believe that God took out of darkness into His marvelous light. We celebrate the light. We celebrate hope. That's what my message I want to bring to you. In the midst of everything you're facing, in the midst of all your challenges, in the midst of the exams, and we can choose in the midst of every situation that happens in your life. You can choose two things. You can choose to give up, or you can choose to focus on the tiny, tiny light that's there in the end of the tunnel and find the strength with the Savior. I wish you all the best with the coming exams. I wish you happy holidays.
Happy holidays! Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!
Merry Christmas, everyone! Wishing you happy holidays and a happy new year.
Happy holidays, everyone!
Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Happy holidays to everyone from Avalon University.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Happy holidays and a safe and prosperous new year.
I would like to wish everyone a happy holidays, and with the new year coming upon us, I wish for everyone to have an amazing 2024.
Happy holidays.